Can DeepSeek R1 replace ChatGPT? ChatGPT has dominated the AI landscape for years, but now a new challenger has entered the scene: DeepSeek R1. With its advanced capabilities and open source framework, many are asking the big question: can DeepSeek R1 replace ChatGPT? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about DeepSeek R1, how it compares to ChatGPT, and whether it has what it takes to take over the AI world. DeepSeek R1 is a newly developed large language model from China, designed to rival OpenAI's ChatGPT. It is known for its efficiency, cost-effectiveness, and open-source nature. Unlike many Western AI models that operate within a closed ecosystem, DeepSeek R1 provides developers with access to its architecture, making it highly customizable. The model was trained on a massive dataset, allowing it to understand and generate human-like responses across multiple domains. Early reports suggest that it performs exceptionally well in text comprehension, problem-solving, and even creative tasks like writing and coding. ChatGPT has been fine-tuned over several years and trained on a vast dataset, making it highly reliable in providing accurate responses. DeepSeek R1, while impressive, is still relatively new, and its accuracy and refinement may need further improvements over time. One of DeepSeek R1's biggest advantages is its open-source nature. Developers can access its code, modify it, and integrate it into different applications. ChatGPT, on the other hand, operates within OpenAI's ecosystem, limiting its flexibility for custom modifications. ChatGPT excels at generating human-like text, storytelling, and creative writing. DeepSeek R1 has shown promising results in creative AI tasks, but it remains to be seen whether it can match ChatGPT's ability to generate contextually rich and engaging content. DeepSeek R1 is reportedly more cost-effective, making it attractive for businesses and developers looking for an affordable AI model. ChatGPT, especially in its premium versions, can be more expensive due to OpenAI's high computational costs. ChatGPT is already integrated into millions of applications, websites, and tools, making it the go-to AI for businesses and developers. DeepSeek R1 is still in its early stages, and widespread adoption will take time. However, its open-source nature may accelerate its use in AI research and development. The question of whether DeepSeek R1 can replace ChatGPT depends on several factors. While it offers unique advantages such as cost efficiency and open-source accessibility, it still lacks the widespread adoption and refinement that ChatGPT has built over time. For now, DeepSeek R1 is a strong alternative and could push AI innovation forward, but it may not immediately replace ChatGPT. However, as AI continues to evolve, competition between these models will lead to better, more powerful AI systems for everyone. DeepSeek R1 is an exciting development in the AI space, and while it may not replace ChatGPT just yet, it is undoubtedly a game changer. What do you think? Could DeepSeek R1 eventually surpass ChatGPT? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the future of AI. Thanks for watching.